everyone, it's me Varsha. Welcome back to my channel, and today we'll be sharing what are the basic things which we should have in our vanity. And these are all the products which are very much affordable and everybody can have it initially in their makeup kit. And all the qualities I have checked personally, used them, utilized them quite a well, and I really love these products. That's why I have filled my vanity with all these products. So the first thing which we should have in our vanity is a good base product. You can choose any foundation, any BB cream or anything according to your preference and the kind of coverage you like to be applied on your face. So the first thing I have for a base is this foundation by Maybelline. This is from their Fit Me range, and what it does is it provides a very mattifying effect on your skin. And what I really liked about it, that it definitely covers the pores and makes it look less visible. And the price which they are offering it for is very amazing. I was like really surprised the kind of quality they are providing in such less price. So the next one is this Infallible one, which is from L'Oreal, and it is a perfect foundation if you want to have something heavy on your face. By something heavy, I mean not by weight but with a coverage, because if you are having some imperfection on your skin, you are having any acne, any marks or anything on your face which you want to hide, you can use this foundation. It's a very good one. So I really like it a lot. So the next thing which we should have in our makeup vanity are some good eye product, and you can start with a good kajal, a good liner and a mascara. These are the three things which I have from Maybelline. This one is their Colossal Mascara and it provides the volume quite well, and these two are also from the Colossal range. This is a kajal and this is a pen liner. Why I chose specifically a pen liner? Because it is much more easy to apply the liner with a pen form of liner. And this kajal I chose because this is super black and it does not smudge. Moving ahead, the next thing which we should have in our vanity is a good eyebrow product, and this is from Colorbar. This is their Colorbar Stunning Brow Pencil, and it is a pencil on one side and an eyebrow spoolie on the other one. This is quite a pigmented and the price was also very much affordable. That's why I've kept it with me. Next thing is a compact. We must have a compact in our vanity because we need it to touch up and to keep our makeup set all the time. This is from Maybelline and this is their White Super Fresh with Pure Pearlite, and it says that it stays for 12 hours whitening plus perfecting compact, which is dermatologically tested. And guys, if I'll tell you the price, you will be surprised and very much amazed, because I was also amazed when I got to know the price. This is just for rupees 150, and having such a good compact for this price is a very good deal. Moving ahead, the next thing which we should have in our vanity is a good blusher. You can replace a blusher with a good pink lipstick as well, because it will still give you that kind of a blusher effect and you can save your money. This one is from L'Oreal, and why I like this one, because it gave me 3 shades in one blusher, so it's a good option for me. Next thing I have is lipstick, and that's very important. We should have few color of the lipstick at least in our vanity. You can start with a red, a nude shade and a pink one. Later on you can definitely experiment with the lipsticks and can play with more colors according to your preference. What I have with me is this red lipstick from Maybelline. This is a Red Carpet shade from Maybelline, and this is quite an affordable one and the quality was also very nice. That's why I've gone with this one. Next is this pink shade. This is from Chambord and this is from their Extreme Matte range, and the shade is Exotic Fuchsia. I really like this pink color. It's that kind of a pink which just uplifts any outfit, any makeup instantly. And next are super affordable lipsticks. One is from In Color and one is from Miss Claire. Why I wanted to include these two brands in affordable makeup kit, because these are really very cheap and the quality they provide are really amazing. This is from Miss Claire and the shade number is 50. This is a lip cream which is a dupe for NYX as well. NYX comes for rupees somewhere around 700 and this is just for rupees 180. And believe me guys, the quality, the quantity are almost same. And this is from In Color. The full size comes for rupees 250. This is a sample one, and the kind of matte lipsticks they make, that's really amazing. It also a very good option for a cheap kind of a lipstick, but yet the quality is amazing. So these two you can have in your vanity initially and you'll definitely love it. So that's all for now guys. Do like my video if you really like it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so very much. Bye.